Welcome to Strategic Factory, our master brand for all of our agencies where we create one-stop shopping for our customers to deal with all their marketing, branding, and communication needs. We have Branded For You, which is our custom apparel and promotional products division, Graphic Tango, which is our creative agency, Ink About It, which is our commercial print shop and direct mail division, Spokes Marketing, which is our traditional and digital marketing division, Master Signs, which is our commercial sign division, and last but not least, we're about to take a virtual tour of our production facility. This is our customer service area where sales and sales support meet together to really strategize on how best to deliver what the customer is requesting. 36,000 odd jobs pass through these walls in a given year. Welcome to Command Central. This is where we stop jobs, check jobs, make sure that everything for that job is ready to go so that we can prepare the job for production. The first stop in Command Central is check-in. Check-in reviews all the paperwork and really tries to reevaluate that job or replan that job to make it run through the process as efficiently and as productively as possible. The second stop in Command Central is with our project managers. They prepare the digital files to get them print ready and to get them into production. They deal with 3 different proofing sessions a day to make sure that every job is studied and evaluated before it goes to the client and then again before it goes to production. The third and final stop in our Command Central department is with pre-press. Pre-press's responsibility is to get the job set up for the piece of equipment as efficiently as they possibly can. Welcome to our production facility. This is a perfect example of some of the cutting-edge technology that we invest in. This ESCO routing and cutting table enables us to cut a variety of different substrates. Items such as wood, metal, acrylic, plastic can be cut, contour cuts into any shape you could think of. So you could think outside of the box. A typical yard sign doesn't have to be a rectangle or a square. We can really contour cut to any shape that you would desire on this table. This is our wide format division where we do a lot of our production of our signage. It's a really fun and innovative department. We get to do production right here on this flatbed printer where we get to print directly to substrate. Or if we don't do it on the flatbed, we'll do it on one of our latex roll printers. This is our digital department. It's where we print directly from a digital file to the substrate. It enables us to do fast turn, short run work with variable data in a really cost-effective and efficient manner. After printing, just about all jobs require some form of finishing or bindery and pass through our bindery department. They'll go through processes such as cutting, folding, booklet making, lamination, UV coating, and padding. This is our offset printing department. Offset printing is still one of the most effective and most widely used forms of putting ink on paper. We utilize a wet Pantone ink, which enables us to create consistent and accurate color time and time again. These are our DI presses. They enable us to take the benefits of digital and offset and merge them together. We get make-ready times down to less than 5 minutes, which enable us to get jobs up and running and up to color very quickly. They're also a very high quality press that give us consistent, repeatable color day in and day out. Our DI press is also environmentally friendly. We run soy-based inks in a very efficient manner. About 85% of all printed material ends up in the mail stream. In our mailing department, we do a lot of different services, from list cleanup and processing, through to inkjetting, inserting, tabbing, and then naturally delivering it to the post office. We'll process a couple of million pieces of mail each month. During packaging and quality control, 2 important things happen. The first is obviously the quality control, where our packaging department pays a lot of attention to all the details on the job and make sure that everything is as it should be before they get the job packaged. Then they move on to packaging the job, which is making sure that the job gets into the appropriate package, that it's not going to get damaged or ruined in any way during shipping or delivery via our delivery vehicles. We have several delivery vehicles that enable us to get our finished product to our customers as efficiently as possible. Our fleet comprises of vehicles as small as a compact car, all the way up to a large box truck. We utilize the most efficient vehicle to get the product to our customer as effectively as possible. As you can see, all of our vehicles are wrapped. We like to make sure that they're very visible and that you can spot them from a mile away. Upstairs, we house our enabling department, which incorporates our creative services, social media, graphic design, content writing, and strategy. 1 in 4 people walk around with a branded promotional product. 60% of people keep their promotional products. We can brand just about anything. And when I say anything, I truly mean just about anything. Whether it be drinkware, apparel, pens, bags, whatever it may be, we can brand it. So what really makes us tick is the people. And I believe it comes down to three very finite cultural statements. First one being yes, yes, yes. It's where we say yes to the customer, yes to each other, and yes to ourselves. We then move on to our second one, which is see it, own it, fix it, which really speaks to accountability. We're looking for people that can see an opportunity or an issue, own that opportunity or that issue, and then fix it. And when I say fix it, it really is a root cause fix so that that issue does not return. Last but not least, we get to our can do, will do, happy to, which really speaks to the people that can do the job. And if they cannot, we are willing to invest in them to help them get there. But at the end of the day, they have to be willing to and they have to be happy to. And that's what makes us who we are.
All our clients are rock stars. Let us make you our next rock star of the day, and we'll add your name to our ever-expanding Rockstar Hall of Fame.
Thank you so much for joining us today and taking a virtual tour of our state-of-the-art strategic factory.
Contact us today for a personal in-house tour of our facility. We hope to see you soon.